Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some cottage style home decor ideas. Let's have a look. Cottage style home decor is a warm, welcoming and charming aesthetic that emphasizes comfort, vintage appeal and a lived-in feel. It blends elements of traditional country design with soft, rustic touches. Here are practical and creative tips to help you achieve an authentic, beautiful cottage-style home decor. Top tips for creating cottage-style decor. Start with a soft, neutral base. Use whites, creams or pale pastels for your walls and large furniture. This creates a calm, airy backdrop and allows vintage peaches or floral fabrics to pop. Mix and match, don't aim for perfection. Cottage style thrives on eclectic charm. Combine different wood finishes, patterns and styles of furniture. Pair a modern sofa with an antique coffee table or a rustic bench with floral cushions. Use natural light generously. Keep window treatments light and breezy. Offer shade curtains or simple cotton drapes. Bring in vintage or handmade peaches, soft flower kits, thrift stores and estate shells for vintage mirrors, weathered dressers, animal kitchenware, wicker baskets. Handmade pottery or embroidered linens add authentic charm. Layer your textiles. Use a combination of throw pillows in florals or checks, quilts and knitted drawers. Area rugs like braided, jute or faded vintage style rugs. Layered fabrics make the space feel cozy and inviting. Incorporate botanical and nature motifs. Use floral or leafy patterns on wallpaper, upholstery and artwork. Display fresh or dried flowers in pitchers, mason jars or small vases. Add potted herbs or trailing ivy for a lived-in garden feel. Displayed rather than hide, open shelves are perfect for showing off vintage dishes, books or glass jars. Use hooks and pegs for hanging baskets, hats or tea towels in a charming, practical way. Offer distressed or painted furniture. Embrace imperfections like chipped paint or time-worn wood. Try painting a small piece of furniture in soft chalky blue, green or white. Add bedboard, wainscoting or shiplap. Use on walls, kitchen islands or ceilings. Instantly gives a vintage, cozy and architectural feel. Paint it white, shades or pale blue for a traditional look. Use antique style hardware. So about modern knobs and handles for glass knobs or iron pulls. Thanks for watching the video.